Aloha, Hugh O'Reilly with Maui Resort Realty, and this is July 2021. And I'm going to do something a little different today. I thought what I might do is give you an idea of two properties of similar value, one being a condominium on the beachfront, short-term rental, and talk about what the same price point, and contrast that with a single-family residence up in the Kapalua area, up in Pineapple Hill, very well established, and sort of let you understand if you're going to spend, in this case, just under $3 million, what is the difference between these two properties. So the first property is in one of the most famous properties on Kaanapali Beach, the Ali'i, Kaanapali Ali'i. It's sort of the Rodeo Drive. It's well established. This property was built in 1981 and even today is considered, one of the single best properties on the Kaanapali Beach. Its proximity to shops and centers, the golf course, the centers, extremely well established. And then up at Kapalua, this property was built, actually it's newer, 1989 and remodeled in 2003. And this is a single family residence. So going back to the Kaanapali, Ali'i, this price is currently at $2,995,000, and the single family residence is $2,850,000. So very comparable. Let's talk about the square footage. So the Ali'i is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath at 1,650 square feet. It would have some ocean views. The other property is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 4,200 square feet, so more than double the square footage size. The big difference here is, then the property Kapalua has some ocean views, but from a distance. It's up on the hillside, way up high in Kapalua, so you are seeing the ocean, but you're not in that close proximity. So how is it that something that's 1,600 versus 4,200 can be the same price? And the reason is the things that drive real estate in Hawaii are proximity to the ocean, view of the ocean, and short-term rental. And so in those cases, these two are going to be very, very different, and hence the price. So the Ali'i is zone short-term rental. It is literally on the beach. You walk out your door, one of the biggest sandy beaches, has spectacular views of the ocean, proximity to all that. So it has that very much resort feel, and with that comes the ability to do very, very, very good income on it. The demand for these types of properties is massive. When you move to the other property, you're looking at a single family residence, and if you need income, then you're in the long term, which means you could rent it, but it has to be a contract of 6 months or longer. It doesn't have the short-term rental capabilities, which reduces your income, but it's proven to be still very good. I mean, it would be significant. But you'd have to drive to get to the beach. You have to either get a shuttle or take your vehicle down, and you have an ocean view, but it's a long ocean view. Both of these homes have been on the market, one, the Ali'i, for 76 days, and the Kapalua residence is 41. And so it just sort of contrasts that there's kind of a divide in the road. You can either go the family route and have a larger home, more space, but you're giving up some other amenities. The other one is, it's great if you just want to be in here for a week or two, have a great vacation, and while you're not here, generating that income. So I thought it was interesting to see how two properties, similar price point, contrast. So hope that's helpful. Any questions, as always, you can reach me at hugh@hughO'Reilly.com.